Drawing diagrams in Confluence is a great way to visually communicate information. Confluence offers several ways to create diagrams, including integration with tools like Glyphy and Draw.io. Here's how to draw diagrams in Confluence using Draw.io, a popular option. Enable the Draw.io add-on. If your Confluence doesn't already have Draw.io installed, ask your Confluence administrator to add it from the Atlassian Marketplace. Open the page. Go to the Confluence page where you want to add a diagram and click Edit to open the page editor. Insert the Draw.io diagram. In the editor, select the Insert More Content button, then choose Draw.io diagram. A window will open, allowing you to create a new diagram or import an existing one. Create your diagram. You'll be redirected to the Draw.io interface. Here, you can use a variety of shapes, arrows, and icons to design your diagram. Drag elements onto the canvas, arrange them, and add text or colors as needed. Save and insert. Once done, click Save. The diagram will automatically be inserted into your Confluence page. Edit anytime. To update the diagram, simply click on it, select Edit, and make adjustments.